Welcome back to my morning report chart appraisals on Friday the 5th of May with me, Richard Paramarket analyst at Hansen Markets, looking at dollar yen. We saw dollar yen sort of breaking out above that 12.20 level with a strong bull candle on a Wednesday. Slight corrective move yesterday and a little bit today, but I think the little corrections are going to be seen as a chance to buy now on dollar yen. I think that you've got a nice band of support between 11.60 and 12.20. Which I think is going to be sort of a basis of support now. You've got the momentum indicators, which are still positively configured. Yes, they've turned over a touch, but with the RSI moving into the mid-high 60s, I think that is sort of a move that sort of changes the outlook, I think, now, and I think we're going to turn into more of a neutral outlook on dollar yen. You might get a little bit of a correction that goes on, maybe possibly even through that 1160 support, but generally speaking, I think we're going to see dollar yen starting to sort of trade more in a sort of a choppy sideways fashion in a range play rather than sort of the weakness, because I think that or the selling into strength that we've seen previously, because I think that move of our 1220 is a key move. Now, obviously we've got the stochastics there rolled over a touch, so that suggests perhaps a little bit of near-term weakness. And you've got the hourly chart, which sort of has that broken uptrend again, and that uptrend becomes the basis of resistance around 1265 today. Momentum indicators on the hourly, a little bit more correctively configured, but nothing yet negative really, and that is the sort of inference I'm getting from these momentum indicators. Nothing yet negative. That stochastics has crossed over, yes, which suggests a bit of waning momentum, but nothing sort of explicitly corrective or bearish yet on these indicators. So that is what I'm seeing. You've got some basis of support with these old breakouts. 1177 on the intraday chart, 1160 really, which is that old long-term sort of those old lows from sort of February, which become supportive again. And generally speaking, I think we're now looking to buy into weakness on this dollar yen chart. So a little bit of volatility I think you can expect on the pairals today, but aside from that, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I'll speak to you later.